advice. Go tell the legion, stop watch my life, pagan, stop.
Them say when man have money, them can buy out them way. And if we can buy her out, yeah, Raka. Pretty, you know hear me out loud here.
No, darling, me not hear you when you.
So you go on, man. You there won't come knock on the door.
I don't know if it's just because you want to hear my voice, but yes, I'm at home. What happened? Anything wrong?
No, nothing wrong. Everything alright. Me not stay up on the left side like a Jamaican. Poverty lane bus. Me a forward. Franco, at what time you know?
Why, Mr. Sir? About 10 o'clock, you know. To the sun is hot.
Wait there. A modern time this, you know. Me look like an ancestor.
What you deal with, Mr. Sir?
What kind of sun you looking at? Not tell me time. Me tell you about them bag of documentary that you are watching.
Cool, no?
You have to go update yourself in the Franco. You know, say all America save time.
Yes, I. That me say I go on.
Ah boy, great, I'm glad say reaching up. Come like too much of the scent gone up in the Franco nose.
Yeah, things are going on with you know, Mr. Sir.
Him should have followed protocol and wear a mask.
That me a set up.
Yeah, deal it.
You know, so we have a lot to deal with. Two it better than one, you know.
So, Mr. Sir, how you do? Count me out.
Franco, what kind of poor question that you ask, Mr. Sir?
Don't worry about him, man. I got link Tanto to make him get tutoring, start ask some rich question round.
Oh, you mean?
By the way, I forgot look on what we have now.
Tired to try with people, right now me I try with myself. Try.
You try with all you try with all your mother and your father.
Try.
You try with even my own picnic. You try with woman and it don't make no sense, brother. But you try for yourself, brother.
Mota friend me try.
House.
Oh, go on, baby.
Roll a split for me and show on forward.
Boy, in a them time, better if you have a woman when you smoke.
Oh,
them
boy.
weed make you mean to all eyeless last year if you move forward and want all the eye. I come tembo roll up. So I go roll up in my brain. Come like them say the government bring all this dispensary out here. And it's a bag of money for them empty can. By the way, you know, your woman, you know, is supposed to have a natural high. One more higher one. I do my thing here, man.
Tired to try with people, right now me I try with myself. Try.
You try.
John, no, Mr. Sir, a this a go on, a big thing them here, you know.
Franco,
How you get that link here from?
Franco, hold on the tone over the internet.
Internet?
So hold on the Franco.
Yeah, great.
What you think the internet for?
Boy, social media, man.
You see, that me I tell you about them new generation here, you know. Only thing them know how to post and lie.
Yeah man, them know see the internet of the networking, you know.
Them a waste them data.
Yes I see them. That's why I'm post to them now, you know. When the world big and them can go get everything with them want.
Easy great. Come like me I forgot build all a church gear and make you collect some offering.
Right now, the NSC pastor have the Mota TV show. So what the mission?
Well, you have to know, say, me as always, I tell you, say, we have to use the system, beat the system, you know. So we just have to brutalize them in the street, don't it?
Yeah.
Ask about people business, me don't know. What's a kid but dog, I'm grown now. Nah, pan, the wagon rims are chrome now. Let me spliff, yeah, me then I'm zone, yo.
By now, over 140 dogs are now in Canada after they were flown there from Jamaica.
Government is not easy, you know, man. Then we realize that the wrong set of dogs them are
catching a flight. It's been an interesting journey for
hungry, them have a fly without peace, you know. And real dogs them they are broken and hungry. All them things are hurt me, you know, man. Hello.
Wow, you know, give me a little money when I ask you for do my hair and nails.
What is?
Wow.
You know, it's a pandemic time. No, go on.
I'm firing that.
Hey.
Listen to me. I really talk to. You can't tell me nothing now go on. I better make something happen.
What is?
You can't want woman and I want them to look good.
Wait them my girl. You move like it's a church.
We are trying to say.
You move like you have all right to tell me what you do.
And that you know, I tell that one man, now waste of time. I tell that one man with a poor attitude.
Hey.
You look like me if I go get a damn scammer man.
The attitude need to fix. Because the wrong direction you look.
You can say what you want to say.
Me's a poor man, you know.
Well, you can call my phone when you have money. Until then, you get blocked.
You need to block yourself too.
Traffic, so I went down past what's in the hospital now, G West, and she was sat in the middle of the road, skin and bone.
Baby, are you ma come find now? Put yourself together. We are gonna touch the road.
Alright.
Look few things.
So why I gotta come with you?
You move stubborn like you're born a Jamaica, you know. I not tell you say them frightened for foreign around you. I no want to stand up in on the line.
Man, I think you going on the road to show me off.
What?
I heard it's a thing. Jamaican men like to show off with foreign women.
That tone of voice that nah go work, you know. Show off, bring disgrace. A business time. Anyway, I forgot touch up and try make it tight, you know. And if you see Mrs. Smith, just act your color.
What? Really?
Yes, really and truly.
So, what you trying to say? I'm just supposed to stand there like a mannequin and let her diss me? You crazy as hell.
Hear what me I say. I just want you to act white.
So what you gonna do if I don't?
Mrs. Smith, prepare for moment like them.
I ain't gonna stand there and let no girl try and walk all over me. You crazy as hell right now.
Baby, how you really are come with them time? My advice to you, you know, I better you stop where you're there and let it off.
Anyway, what you say we're doing?
It just reach me. I was just say. I come talk about show off. Me not show off a full mug to my business, yeah.
Why watch Cartoon Network when you can't watch Mr. Sir, the never-ending story? Tales that doesn't accompany boring. Backlax kum, Skelai boom, bututu, bush. Tutu, imminent. Bush loader. Ready, man? Yeah. Excuse me, no pagans. Now seek validation.
Wagwan me everything, you no miss me.
Wagwan? Well, mother asked you the same thing, you know.
What kind of contention you come with now?
Me know say Jamaica Mota out of many people. But I hardly see that kind of around here.
What?
How you do? 100?
Oh, I'm to you, Mrs. Smith. Cha, why your brains always come like it a short south?
Bite a skirt then, no?
Hey, woman, me nah eat with you, you know. What you talk about? Come straight.
Would I like to know who you go with Whitey? That me a talk about.
Woman, I always your problem.
You wouldn't like me to tell you I want my problem.
Well, keep it to yourself till the next time. A ton of that, and she no white, she a Hebrew, she a my advisor.
But Mr. Sir, what you do with advisor?
I want to hear Mrs. Smith, may I learn for act for when me rich.
But anyway, you need it. Cause me tired of poor life, you know.
Well, nothing lasts forever, you know. I hope when we get rich, you can manage.
Tell her for her up and advise you there.
When I stay, you're saying no bag of argument with you, you know. I have things to do.
Go along with your Whitey. I must a black and white movie this.
I wonder if our mother or granny should inherit the madness there from. Now I should bother my brain, you know. To do my business.
Money free. People are one dime, sham not cover money tree. Tell a flex them as to the way. Me put a ball up and run right now like a...
What go on, Mr. Sir?
Here ya.
How you do? Buy ice cream.
Buy ice cream. I have no time for stand up in front of the truck. Me a press gas in this.
That a go on.
So I'm here great.
Be a buck go on with you.
Cold not great.
mind them boy they pull over the road, you know. You know them love them ice cream already.
We not done tell them so we have to use the system, beat the system, my G.
God no.
Right now it's a test run, me give them.
Where them get it from, Mr. Sir?
Well, I tell you, say all two they are try to fall me down, but it come like them not sipping them flavor. I mash up road. Easy no great, me so touch your foot.
Yeah.
Oh, this now, yellow teeth. What you deal with?
Mr. Sir, what go on?
I die, I know.
You know, spread some of them nationality around now ambitiously.
What this?
Me say you have Mexican and white around here now, what you deal with?
I want to hear yellow teeth. Phone hospitality are for mad people, you know.
Hey, Mr. Sir, what you do? Try style thing.
Right now, me not dep on where you dep on, you know.
Well, that me I call about, you know.
So what your problem?
You know, woman me a deal, you know. Franco done tell me say you get the shipment, you know.
Yeah, man. I tell him for give a circle, dog. And right now, it's not a penguin settings. Me not sell nothing by no pound. If I'm not 10 and up, you not sell nothing.
Me I want something. Yo, me I want more than something.
I want the road price right now.
Well, me I get the cabbage ice, you know. 15, you know. And me I get the sour days, you know, and the pink ice, you know. Feel like 30 and them money there, you know.
Easy in a yellow teeth. You don't know so we go school together, you know. So me I go meet her halfway. Give a sidewalk price.
Welcome to the money free.
Yeah, man, I like how me I set the trend round here. Make them sister they think can go global, Mexican link. And now them get vaccine from India. I want them can make Kamala Harris host the dancer when we plan for keep. John no bad girl, you're supposed to have mad the man them so far. Them supposed to feel the government adopt Cardi B.
Oh boy.
So like they was stressed already. So what go on? What you love about the place so far?
Beautiful places, beautiful. The food, the music.
What you said, the dancer love your way.
You know.
Yeah man, the place nice.
The whole island is so beautiful.
Sure.
Bob Marley legend.
Yeah man, Bob Marley save whole heap of people around here, you know. But bad girl, if them police boy they buck you, what you plan for say?
Tell me no.
No, me I ask you, I want to know.
What should I say? Like, oh, I hear about Bob Marley. Bob Marley is from Jamaica. Or how? Like, or I hear about, I love, or should I say, I love reggae. And Bob Marley is my, I don't know what to say.
Well, on the bad girl, you know, if you have panic, you know. But police them only ugly, but them not serious like the one them over Mexico. Easy man.
Okay, but let me tell me how to start.
First thing, you is a tourist.
Oh shoot. This will be my first time.
Yeah, your first time at Jamaica. You love the culture.
Okay.
And you love Bob Marley. And you want a man. What am I say you for say?
Well, first thing, Bob Marley is from Jamaica. Second, I hear a lot about the culture. And thirdly, I want a Rasta in my life.
What you say, Rasta, you think that I can go link the cure? Cool, man. Later, I link you, mama.
Okay.
Try for yourself, brother.
Mota friend, I'm try.
Tired to try with people. Right now, me I try with myself. When them need favors, them need you. Try with yourself. Me quick for help you. When me should I try with myself? Try with yourself. Next time, me I go try with myself.